Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can update your profile picture without posting it on your newsfeed. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, go to your profile, Facebook profile, click your Facebook profile here, and now click those three lines on top of your right screen. Click here and now go to your profile. And here on the profile picture, you can see the camera option. Select that camera option and select profile picture. And after selecting this profile picture, it will bring you to your gallery option. And now select any picture that you want to make your profile picture. And I'm going to select this one and just make it the adjustment that you want to like it. There are many options, but to update my profile picture without posting, all I have to do is just uncheck this option. This is share your update to newsfeed, and after uncheck this, click this save one, and it will take a few seconds to update your profile picture. And here you can see my profile picture is updated, but it is not shown in the newsfeed. And this is my old covered photo, not the profile one. So in this way, you can update your profile picture without posting it to your newsfeed. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel. And I will catch you guys on the next.